How to use Grid Plus. To start, navigate to the editor by clicking Website from your admin menu. Then click Content Manager menu, and then Content Manager. Click the Add Grid Plus button on the top right to create a new page using the Grid Plus editor. Add a name for your new page. If you want to hide the page from being displayed on your public navigation menu, mark the hidden checkbox. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Update and Continue to Editor. The new page will start off looking like this. At the top left are buttons to return to the main menu, Content Manager, or Page options. Below those are your basic actions: undo, redo, and save. The Save as Draft icon will allow you to save a draft version of your page as a working copy, while the Save icon will update the live web page. Clicking on the existing page components will select them. You can also hold left control and click multiple components to select them as a group. When selected, a blue toolbar appears with contextual options like moving, cloning, or deleting the selected components. On the right side of the editor is where you can add new components by clicking and dragging them onto the page. Your page layout is built by stacking rows, which are outlined in a green dotted line, on top of each other. Inside each row, we'll place columns side by side, which are outlined in a blue dotted line. Rows and columns are found under the Structure tab. Let's add a single column row, which has one column that spans the width of the page. Next, let's add some text by clicking the Content tab and then clicking and dragging the text component inside of our new column. You can double-click the text to edit it and see text formatting options. Let's turn this text into a new header by clicking where it says Normal and selecting Heading 2. When you press Enter to break to a new line, it will automatically switch back to the normal text style. If you want to add another column to this row, you'll first want to make room by selecting the existing column and clicking and dragging on the sizing handle to make it smaller. Then, you can click and drag a column component from the Structure tab inside the row and resize them as needed. Now let's add an image component from the Content tab to our new column. Once you've placed it, you can double-click on the image container to bring up your image manager, where you can select from previously uploaded images, upload a new file, or even generate a new image with AI. When we select the image, the styling panel at the bottom of the page will display options to change the image's width and height. By default, these options will be set to Auto, which keeps them responsive so that they will resize on smaller screens automatically. You can change image alignment using the left, center, and right buttons. If you want the image to link somewhere when you click it, select the Add Image Link option. Then you can add a URL to the link field, and now your image will direct you to that link when clicked. Here's an example of a completed page. Let's make sure to click the Save icon, and then we can click the page title at the top to load directly to our finished product. We can always return back to the editor to update it later.